Hello. In this video we will be showing you how to access Bloomsbury Applied Visual Arts off campus. On the main library canvas page, just scroll down to the main menu and click on the Access e-Resources icon. From the list of e-resources available, just click on the eBooks icon. Now on the eBooks page, just click on the Bloomsbury logo to be taken to the Bloomsbury Applied Visual Arts page. Now on the Bloomsbury Applied Visual Arts page, just click on the Bloomsbury logo to access this resource. You should now find yourself on the Bloomsbury Applied Visual Arts website. On the top right of the screen, you will see a login icon. Just click on that. And now, on the login page, just click on the Login via your institution button. You'll now be asked to find your organisation. In the search bar, just type in Northwest Regional College. And when that appears as an option underneath, just select that. Where you'll now be taken to the following page where you'll be asked for your login details. Just enter your 8-digit user ID, followed by your password, and then finally click the login button.